Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Nation here, and today I am back to show you guys how I deep condition my old dry hair that needs to be replenished with much needed moisture. And so this is what my hair is looking like, and it's not working out for me too well. So I'm gonna go ahead and co-wash off camera with the As I Am Long and Luxe GroWash. I love this stuff, it's amazing. And so I'm just going to co-wash twice and come back to you guys when I'm done. Alright, I'm done, and here is what my hair is looking like, freshly co-washed and ready for deep conditioning. Okay. So for my deep conditioner, I'm using my Holy Grail Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. That is a lot to say. Before I get started, I'm just going to show you guys a little length check since it's been a little while. So your girl's hair is growing. I am going to use a whole lot of this deep conditioner because what is too much deep conditioner? I don't really think there is such a thing. So I absolutely love this because it gives me so much moisture. When I say moisture, I mean like when I rinse this out of my hair and I let it air dry before even applying a leave-in, my hair is so silky and soft. So that's why I've been using this ever since I cut my hair. I just make sure that it is it's saturated on every single strand of my hair. And aside from moisture, I receive a whole lot of shine with this product too. So it's a very, very thick, deep conditioner that easily smooths my hair. So I'm showing you guys here how my hair just like, I don't know, it loves this deep conditioner. Like, I literally have nothing bad to say about it. It smells good. It feels so silky and smooth going through my hair. And to reap all of the benefits, I'm actually going to sit under some heat with this deep conditioner for 1 hour. And for my heat, I like to use a hothead. Now this hothead I purchased had to have been 3 years ago, and it has done so much for my hair and made my deep conditioning just go to the next level. So it has flax seeds in it, and basically you put it in the microwave. I do 45 seconds twice. So this is the first time, and I take it out, flip it inside out, put it in for another 45 seconds. Once that's done, I'll put it in for 30 seconds, and then it should be hot enough. It usually lasts me for 30 minutes, and then I'll do that process one more time if I want to deep condition for an hour. So this thing is amazing. It just adds the heat, and you don't have to sit under a dryer with the loud, noise, or it's just comfortable. So that's why I like to use it. You can flip it inside out, so either way that you want to wear it, you can. I tend to wear it on the side that has the leaves on it just because, I don't know, I feel like it's warmer for some reason. So that's what I do. Once I'm done heating it up in the microwave, I shake it, and then I'm going to leave it in my hair for 1 hour. Now that I've let it sit for 1 hour, I'm just going to show you guys how my hair responded to it. My hair is so defined and my curls are just popping. You'll see me comb through my hair, and literally my curls are just so clumped together and juicy, and my hair feels silky and soft. Like I said, even after rinsing out this product, I don't have to put any leave-in or anything. My hair will dry and feel so soft. So I absolutely love this and recommend it to all of you if you want to just up your deep conditioning game because it's so important to do this at least once a week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.